Good morning. We really gotta stop meeting like this. But last time we talked, yeah, they showed up on time. Just barely, but they showed up on time. So today, the company that does our heating and air just showed up about 2 minutes ago. I don't see him in his truck. I seen him get out, check his equipment. I was watching a YouTube video, so I didn't think nothing of it. But now that I'm actually looking, I don't see him. So maybe he's in the back of the truck. Maybe he's on the other side. But here's my thing with that. If he's in the building and nobody's here, I mean, he has a key. Why does he get a key and I'm the janitor for the building? I don't have a key. The company that details the bathrooms every other week, they don't have a key. But this guy gets a key. So we're going to see what's going on. And if I don't like it, I will definitely be letting you know what happened. I'll talk to you later.